Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn to set your open to work status step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in www.linkedin.com in the address bar. Press the enter key to load the LinkedIn homepage. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the page. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. Select View Profile from the options. On your profile page, locate the Open to button just below your profile picture. Click on the Open to button. From the drop-down menu, select Finding a New Job. A new window will appear with options to customize your job preferences. Fill in the necessary fields such as job title, location, and start date. You can also specify the types of job opportunities you're interested in. Once you have filled in the details, find the option that says Let Recruiters Know You're Open. Toggle this option to show recruiters you're open to. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. When ready, click the Add to Profile button to finalize your settings. Your Open to Work status is now activated. You can return to your profile to see the green Open to Work banner displayed. This indicates to recruiters that you are actively seeking new job opportunities. Congratulations, you have successfully set your Open to Work status on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.